Look at this new 2014 Ram 4500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This 4500 boasts a 6.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Quick Order Package 29, a Tradesman Chrome Appearance Group transmission, 6-speed auto Eisen S69 RCHD engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel, remote keyless entry, fog lamps, chrome body side molding, granite crystal metallic clear coat, radio, Uconnect 5.0 MFMBT, single disc remote CD player, full-size spare tires, 225/70R 19.5G all traction, diesel gray black, cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, wheels, 19.5 inches x 6/4 aluminum. Polished, Park V rear backup camera and the trailer brake control. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.